Hello folks, we're going to be having chicken today. We'll have the regular recipe in the description. It is sort of a copycat of the 5-ingredient baked Amish chicken recipe with its own gravy, but we're going to be putting our little spin on it. Instead of making your own flour, we're going to be using this seasoned flour today. Heavy whipping cream and chicken. We're also going to be fixing some buttered noodles, and we got some corn out of the garden today. We'll be having that there also. Let's get started. Alrighty folks, we went and got a bigger pan here. Just coat your chicken up good. Place it. We're using chicken thighs today. Now this recipe, you can use whatever chicken you want. And then what we're going to do, now we've got our oven preheated right now for 350. Like I've told you before, we've turned our oven up just a little bit there. It just seems like ours cooks a little lower than what it actually does. So we turned ours to 365. Coating your chicken. Now you have to get that other pan, use it too. I believe it's all going to fit, should. Alrighty, now just take your heavy whipping cream. Now the recipe actually called for adding a little bit of water. So what I'm going to do is just pour a little bit of this in. And then I'm going to put some water in there and shake it up. And don't be afraid to do that with recipes, folks. Just try different things. A lot of people are afraid to cook. Don't be afraid, enjoy it. If it don't turn out, that's a learning experience. Try not to knock the flour off. Now, like I said, we'll pop this in the oven. Alrighty, we're going to cook the corn here for 8 to 9 minutes. Put it all in. Now, let me get the noodles. Alrighty, now we've got the noodles down in there. And we'll let them get cooked, and then we'll add the rest of the stuff here shortly. Alrighty, we drained our pasta. Now we're going to put in the butter. We're going to pour this back in. Okay, give this a stir. Make it melt just a little bit. Italian seasoning, sprinkle in here. That's optional. If you want to do it or not. This is optional here too. Put in some Parmesan cheese. Give it a stir, and you've got your buttered pasta. Now, Take a look at the corn over there. We're getting ready to take it off. Turn it off there. And you can see there, folks, it's made its own gravy. And I suggest you probably add a little bit of salt and pepper to your gravy once you get the chicken out. Let's get it plated up and we'll see what it looks like. Alrighty, folks, here's the finished plate. The chicken made its own gravy. It's good. Folks, I'd like to thank you all for watching. You all have a great evening, and we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.